all right? If you're catching a low ball, here's what you want to do. When that ball's coming low and you're bending your knees and getting down low, you want to put your hands down. You want to put your hands down low, thumbs up. And when you catch that ball down low, you want to pull it in right now and turn your shoulders underneath. Flip your shoulders around.
It's not going to happen, Boosh. Get it back, get it back. You're doing this, Austin. Hey. You're knocked off. Watch, that's why I want to get this right now. Free technique right now. I'm going my backside tracking. This knee inside the ankle, my hips are turning. So as I'm going wedge right here, I'm pounding my footwork on this course. He crosses my face right now. This shoulder's down. I'm closing him off. The backside was bad. You know what I'm saying? We didn't divide the defense. Right there, the three kicked our butt because of the cross face. Run it again. Run it again. Free step, Boosh. Free step. Wedge inside knee. Hit the fast flow with it. 16. Ready? Go! Shoulder out!
Hey, give him a minute. Don't rush him. Let him get the fit with his hands. 3 points of contact. Play with your face and your hands. Set. Lockout. Fire your hands. Fire your hands. There you go. There you go. That's it. Overcut. Chest on the tackle now. You understand? Put your chest on the tackle. Breastplate tackle. Shooting your uppercuts. All right. Bring your hips. Listen. The first two in achieving separation, we want to keep our hips back. The third one, in terms of tackling, we want to roll our hips and snap our hips. Here we go. Let's go.
When that headgear comes, punch down on that headgear. All right, so guys, just change it up. Kick everyone's one. Here we go. Throw one bag out, Osh. Widen them out. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Widen them out. Huh?
How do you want me to?
Just right there. Shuffle. You just shuffle. Here we go. Ready? Go! That's it. Go! That's it. Get on the end of the bag. Get on the end of the bag. Here we go.
You see flat? You see flat? Hey, he became the flat receiver.
20 seconds and 1-on-1!
He's not on the same. What are you doing? You're turning him over to the backer. This becomes the flat now. Here we go. Let's go, lad. Good. Hammer the nail. Now get him all the way around. There it is. Good breath. Good breath. Up high, up high, up high. All the way around.
It's got to come down flat. Open it up.
Let's go, Paxton. Let's go, Paxton. Here we go, let's go. Come on.
Stab, reduce, reduce. Ready. Go! Stab, reduce. Ready, go! Stab, reduce. Ready, go! Stab, reduce. Go!
Shoulder
down. Ready, go! That's it, good job, Mills. Go! Good job, Walt. Under control. Go!
Got one more. I need you to come out where we play football. But again, we talked about what? Being accurate. Accurate. We got to take the next step. Any questions?